So this is video 8, and what we'll look at here is editing the ways on the board and joining it into the system. So we can see a whole series of ways on here. So for example, if I wanted to copy or edit or make any changes, you've got the final circuits ways up here, and you've got the various functionalities on the top ribbons here. So for example, if I wanted to copy a way from way number 1 through to way number 2 L3, you select the copy way option, you select the way you're going from first, and then you select the way that you're going to, and that copies this across. What you've got to bear in mind though, the command line at the bottom, you are still in the active command. If I wanted to finish the command and do something else, pressing escape on the keyboard cancels the command. I can then go and edit the way and then make the change, and it might be a different cable length. So the copy command remains active, so you can keep copying it until you finish by selecting from way to away. Also, moving ways around, I might want to move the cooker from 2L2 to 3L1. A simple case, move ways from 2L2 to 3L1. Again, important, press escape. If I want to swap it back, I can do the reverse. Or of course, pressing escape again, I could have used the undo command. Change phase allows me to break ways down. This is a function we did earlier on when setting up the board, but I could also change way number 6 instead of splitting it down from its single phases into a 3-phase and neutral way. So all I would do is select change phase, select the lead phase on way number 6, that's 6L1, not L2 or L3, 6L1, change to TP&N, and that's now available for a 3-phase way. The other thing is resetting ways. We might want to undo or make any changes. So what we can do is reset ways and select the way you want to reset. Press escape. Prior to exiting the board, what we would do is join the board into the system, so any issues, fault level, etc. is passed down to the board. So we join the board in, and then we exit final circuits, select OK, and this takes us back to the overview.